What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new day. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic today. I am, haven't guessed what I'm doing. I'm going on an adventure with Spencer. Haha, well that rhymes. We're gonna cruise up, actually we're currently cruising up to a bit of a waterfall. It's a bit of a hike, it's a bit of a trek, but it'll certainly be worth it, that's for sure. We've just come to this little creek here, which I think connects to the waterfall, but up that way. Except I've never come to this part of the creek, so I think we're a little bit lost. Rip. We were walking up a different path and we were like, this doesn't look familiar, so we came back this way, but this doesn't look familiar. So I think we have to go back and just follow the other way. It's been a long time since I've been up here, so I don't know, just gotta hope for the best. You know what the best part about going on bushwalks is? Finding the creek that leads to your waterfall. Oh my god, this has to be the best feeling ever. Wait, so Spencer, basically we just walk up the creek and that's where the waterfall is. It's a little bit of a mish, but it's not too bad. We've pretty much done it all. We have made it to the waterfall. The waterfall is over there. I'm like super slack to go swimming, but Spencer's trying to convince me. I just think it's gonna be really cold, that's all. It's all like cloudy and stuff now, so I don't know. Really scared swimming in cloudy weather. Just makes it eerie, you know? I don't know. There's like a little rope swing. I was like to Spencer, if you can get the rope swing, I'll come in, so I don't have to like go in really slowly. I can just woo! I don't need to get in, but let's just check this out. On a scale of like 1 to like good swimming spots, how was it?
Good swimming spots.
Yeah, it's a good swimming spot. We've just had a bit of a swim, had a bit of a rope swing, kind of nearly got a backflip. Almost. Wait, the next time at Oasis, alright?
Oasis, definitely.
Yeah. So close, so very close. And then we kind of like jumped off the waterfall. Woo! But yeah, we've got to cruise on home. Got about a 40-minute to an hour walk, probably, depends on how quick we go, if we don't get lost. Man, I'm so keen for a sit down. Just wanna tell you that I swear I'm fine. Nice work, man.
Nice work, bro.
Oh, it is the best feeling to be back sitting in the car.
Which is really hot.
It's extremely hot. Alright, windows down. We're gonna go get some food, man, because we are starving. I've just had a polished off, what? I just polished off a little bit of a feed and Spencer ate some food as well. It was like the best thing after going on an adventure was just having feed, just munging it down. And finally I am home, basically ready to go to work. I'm going to catch you guys up when I get back because I don't know, I just try and keep work out of the vlogs. I'm sure you guys understand. So I'll see you hopefully a little bit later tonight just to sign off and say goodbye. Actually, I might do that now. Guys, it's been a real honour hanging out, adventuring with you guys today. Hope you've enjoyed it. I reckon you guys should comment if Spencer can get this backflip, because I reckon he can. Alright, peace out my dudes. Fist bump. I'll catch you all on the internet tomorrow at 4:30 PM. I'm loving this streak. Hope you guys are as well. Don't forget, if you want to go big, dream big.